What's up guys, it's time for another drawing of my Python course, so let's not waste any time and let's get to it. So this week we have a total of 671 entries, and again I'm going to do 5 winners. So here we go, we got 1 to 671. We're going to generate 5 random numbers, so let's see who our winners are. Alright, winner number 1 is 230. So let's go take a look at 230, and that is Mark. Mark, you are a winner. So I'm going to go ahead and put you down here at the end of the list. Our next winner is 607. Hey guys, before we get into that, let's face it, after hours of hacking boxes and popping shells, we all need to let off a little steam. When I need to give my brain a break to work out a problem, I always do a little gaming, and my go-to place for games is Humble Bundle. With Humble Bundle, you get 8 to 10 awesome games worth over $100 each month for only 12 bucks. All the games are redeemed through Steam, so you get to keep the games forever. Not only that, you also have access to the Humble Bundle Trove, which contains over 60 games that you can play at any time. In addition to all of this, you also receive a 10% discount in the Humble Bundle store, which allows you to buy any additional games at a great discount. And finally, when you sign up, Humble Bundle will throw a few dollars to HackHappy. That's right, they'll throw me a few bucks, which is a great way to support this channel at no additional cost to you. So if you like awesome games at a huge discount, then go to the video description, click that link, and get signed up. There you go. Not sure how to say that, but you are a winner. Our next winner is number 5. Gonna go ahead and head you down here. And winner number 4 is 505. Christian Galvez. And our last and final winner for this week, but remember I'm going to do another drawing next week, and to enter all you have to do is comment on any of my videos as many times as you like. Go and subscribe to my Facebook page or follow me on Twitter, and if you follow me on Twitter or Facebook, I'll give you an additional 10 entries. So let's see our final winner. 299. Wallet. There you go. Those are the winners for this week. But again, I will be drawing next week for my Python course. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button and tap that bell. And remember, I will see you on the other side.